Alright, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. Peradventure you just got a new phone and you want to like transfer your account to that new phone you just got. I'll be showing that right away, so just follow my step. What you need to do is just ensure you know your username. Do you understand? You can see my username right here, Nonsom Charles. So ensure you know your username, or ensure you have your email or your phone number, either of those three things. Then also ensure you have your password. So the first thing you want to do is just to come here and click on logout. In case you don't know how I got here, click on this three dash up here, this hamburger icon. Once you click on the hamburger icon, then you come here and click on logout. Then your account will be logged out from your old phone, from the previous phone. Do you understand? So once you are done logging out from here, now you want to proceed to your new phone to log in with your login information. So let's assume I'm already on my new phone right here. So I'll just put in my username and my password right here. So I just insert Nonsom Charles. That's my username. So right here I'll just put in my password. Then I'll click on login right here, and it will log in to my account right away. And that's how you basically transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.